Hello, I am Dr. Anju Jha, Assistant Professor Chemistry, Government Nagarjun Postgraduate Science College, Raipur. Here I am going to discuss antibiotics, which is a part of MSc 4th semester, Paper 2, Medicinal Chemistry, Unit 4, Part C. Antibiotic term was put forward by Woolman in 1889, and scientist Waxman proposed a new definition for antibiotic is an antibiotics or an antibiotic substance is a substance produced by the microorganism which has the capacity of inhibiting the growth and even of destroying other microorganisms. Antibiotics are classified under 4 heads. First, A. Beta-lactam antibiotics, B. Aminoglycosidic antibiotics, C. Chloramphenicol, and D. Tetracycline. First, penicillin. Penicillin is a beta-lactam antibiotics. It is a mixture of natural compound having the molecular formula is C9H11O4N2SR. There are the 6 natural occurring penicillins. First, pen-2-enal penicillin, also called the penicillin first or penicillin F. Second, benzyl penicillin called penicillin second or penicillin G. Para-hydroxybenzyl penicillin called penicillin third or penicillin X. 4N-heptyl penicillin called penicillin 4 or penicillin K. Next, N-amyl penicillin called dihydro F penicillin, and last phenoxymethyl penicillin is called penicillin V. Penicillin. The drug penicillin is first successful synthesis by Sheehan et al. At 1957 and 1959, who synthesized penicillin V. The chemical name of penicillin V is phenoxymethyl penicillin. Penicillin V is synthesized by the condensation of D-penicillamine with tertiary butyl alpha thalidomide melanoaldehyde to form intermediate compound. This intermediate compound has 2 parts. First is a thalidomide ester acid and second a thiazolidine. This large intermediate compound undergoes reduction with hydrazine and then treated with hydrochloric acid to form an amine hydrochloride. An amine hydrochloride is treated with first phenoxyacetyl hydrochloride and then treated with triethylamine to form an ester. This ester is again treated with dry HCl gas at 0 degree centigrade in the medium pyridine to form an ester. This ester is treated with first potassium hydroxide and then dicyclohexyl carboimide to form penicillin V. Penicillin V is particularly effective in the management and control of infections caused by gram-positive bacteria, namely streptococcal, staphylococcal, etc. It is also the drug of choice in the treatment of a number of gram-positive bacteria, and it is also used in the treatment of pneumonia and respiratory infections. Next antibiotic drugs are chloramphenicol. Chloramphenicol is also known as chloromycetin. Its molecular formula is C11H12O5N2Cl. This is prepared by the bromination of para-nitroacetophenone. A bromo derivative, say para-nitrophenyl acyl bromide is formed. Para-nitrophenyl bromide is treated with first urotropin and then treated with ethyl alcohol in the presence of HCl. A new compound alpha-amino para-nitroacetophenone hydrochloride is formed. This compound undergoes acylation to form para-nitroacetamidoacetophenone. This para-nitroacetamidoacetophenone compound is treated with first formaldehyde and then treated with aqueous sodium carbonate to form hydroxymethyl derivative. This hydroxymethyl derivative is again treated with aluminum isopropoxide to form DL form. This DL form is treated with hydrochloric acid. 1 mole of acetyl chloride is released and a small DL form convert to capital DL form. Capital DL form undergo resolution with D-camphoric acid, and after resolution it's treated with dichloromethyl acetate to form chloramphenicol. Chloramphenicol drug is used in typhoid fever and similar salmonellal infections. It is also used in topical infections of eyes and skin. It is particularly recommended for the management and treatment of serious infections produced by the strain of gram-positive and negative organisms. Thank you.